Perfectionism. What a word. What a concept. The idea that something could be completely flawless and without fault. An ideal that is so incredibly, amazingly miserable. Because if perfection means plastic surgeries and 12-hour study sessions, then why on earth are we chasing it at all? I am constantly judging myself, rating myself in the desperate hope that someday I will see perfection in my reflection. But I can tell you from first-hand experience that it gets you nowhere. All those hours I spent applying and reapplying makeup, studying until I burn out, did nothing but add to the sick feeling in my stomach. The one that had arisen every time I had not achieved what was expected of me. Society tells us that being perfect is what makes a person successful. Well, I ask you this. Was Albert Einstein perfect? Elon Musk? Michael Jordan? No, they weren't. Albert Einstein failed to understand that our universe was expanding. Elon Musk, as I'm sure most of us remember from the meme, failed to produce bulletproof windows in his Cybertruck. And Michael Jordan, arguably the most famous basketball player of all time, was cut from his high school basketball team. He even once stated, "I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. On 26 times I've been entrusted to take the game-winning shot, and I've missed. I've failed over and over and over again, and that is why I succeed." As those people, some of our role models have shown, success is not determined by 100%. Our success is defined by our perseverance and ultimately our mistakes. If we, as a society, keep placing the idea of perfectionism on some unreachable pedestal, then we are going to waste so much of our time trying to reach it, and we'll consider ourselves failures because we never can. Even now, reflecting on this speech, I don't think it's good enough. I'm thinking I should have spoken louder, clearer. I should have done more with my hand gestures, more with my facial expressions, more with my words. But today, ladies and gentlemen, I am not going to let those thoughts win.